Tes satu. Aman. 1, 2, 3. Tes 1, 2, 3. Satu. 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 Tes. Cik.
Cek.
Cek. Cek.
Oke. 3.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished speakers, honored guests, and all participants.
Puji dan syukur kita panjatkan kehadiran Tuhan Yang Maha Esa. Karena atas rahmat dan karunia-Nya lah malam ini kita dapat berkumpul dalam keadaan sehat untuk menghadiri talk show BCH.
Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, tonight talk show we discuss a very important topic in the industrial and engineering field entitled Application of KHJ Products in Explosion-Proof Hazardous Area Standard. Clap your hands, everyone. Nah, before we start, we want to just make conversation with audience nih, ya? Oke. Boleh masuk.
Kira-kira siapa dulu nih yang kita mau tanya ini? Kak, mau langsung ke sebelah kiri atau di sebelah kanan kita?
Well, I just wanna go in, maybe left.
Oke.
We go right, we go left.
We go left.
And sourcing. Who?
I
Oh.
think
This guy so handsome.
Yeah.
Okay. Excuse me. Yes.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat malam.
Malam.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Reza Juanda Rizky. Saya bekerja sebagai electrical technician, construction ya, untuk construction. Motivasi saya datang ke sini itu apa ya? Yang pertama untuk yang pasti pengen tahu lebih jauh, pengen tahu lebih banyak tentang apa yang terkait tema kita malam ini tentang produk KHJ in explosion proof atau hazardous area. Nah, mungkin itu aja. Oke, terima kasih.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, who next again?
Woman,
Maybe
the right side.
the right
Alright?
girl. Yes.
Alright.
Yeah. Before we just talking with guy, so maybe excuse me.
Ya. Oh, oke. Perkenalkan, nama saya Nabila dari Aris Merit. Sibukannya kerja. Kenal ini dari diajak. Pengen tahu aja. Ya, oke.
Thank you, Kak.
Thank you. Okay, thank you for
Thank you,
Nabila.
Kak Nabila.
Okay, who next game? Maybe in the middle.
Oke.
We just find
Who?
someone are hiding on here. Excuse me, sir.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Bima Putra. Saya dari PT Tunas Surajaya. Tujuan untuk melihat podcast ini beserta para.
Okay, just clap your hand for Bang Putra and more audience before.
Boleh tepuk tangannya untuk teman-teman kita semua.
Wow, 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 wow.
Nah, tema ini sangat relevan dengan perkembangan industri saat ini.
Especially related to safety standard hazardous area, application and international best practice. Before we continue, allow me to open this session with a short pantun in Indonesia.
Oke. Pergi ke Batu Ampar di malam hari.
Cakep,
Singgah sebentar menikmati kopi.
cakep.
Tonight we learn, tonight we grow together. Building several industry through knowledge and technology.
Wow, wow. Ladies and gentlemen, we are honored to have international keynote speaker. We come directly from Shenzhen, China, bringing global perspective and professional experience. Please welcome our keynote speaker for Miss Grace and Miss Viva.
Can you stand up
Miss, can you stand up?
and then say hi with audience?
Say hi. Hai. Ni hao sama. Okay, okay. We believe that the insight shared tonight will give a valuable understanding about explosion-proof products and their application in hazardous area.
Ladies and gentlemen, besides knowledge sharing, this event is also a great opportunity to expand networking, strengthen relationship, and exchange ideas among practitioners.
Therefore, we encourage everyone to stay focused, actively participate, and make the most of this session. With that being said, by saying Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, the talk show is officially opening.
Thank you for your kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And enjoy the talk show.
Okay. Miss Viva and Miss Grace, clap your hands, everyone.
Shall we start? Start. Okay, okay. Turn on, no, turn off. Turn on. Okay, so good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Uh, okay, firstly, welcome all of you to join us for this seminar. I would like to share some of our company information and our products to all of you. Okay, for KHJ lighting, we are focused on LED explosion-proof lighting and explosion-proof electrical equipment for all hazardous areas. For example, oil and gas, petrochemical, also chemical and power plant, all the heavy industries. Okay, KHJ is a group company. Under KHJ Group, we have 3 factories, but producing different products. Now I will introduce one by one. The first one is KHJ lighting. Just now I already introduced. We focus on the explosion-proof lighting products and electrical equipment for hazardous areas. And then the second one is KHJ technology. We specialize in industrial SMT tapes. Even Samsung, Huawei, Foxconn, BYD, or iPhone, they are our long-term customers for the SMT tapes, high temperature tapes, very special one for industrial material. And then we also have a printing factory to producing the high-quality electronic stickers. Okay, here is about the history and some developments of our KHJ Group. Our first KHJ company was founded 26 years ago. And for KHJ Lighting, it was founded in 2009. So up to till now, we also are experienced for these products for more than 16 years. And in 2012, KHJ Lighting became CNPC's approved supplier. CNPC is like Terminal, the China National Oil Company. And also in 2016, KHJ became the national high-tech enterprise in China. Okay, here are, sorry. Okay, here about some brief introduction of our company. So we can offer the full range of the lighting products and the electrical equipment for the harsh and hazardous areas. And for most of our products are designed for Zone 1 and Zone 2, are certified by ATEX and IECX. Some items we also have UL certificate for North America. And for KHJ lighting, we can also provide the lighting design. So if the customer needs us to provide the lighting simulation or lighting calculation, we can do this for our customers. And up to till now, KHJ already have more than 20 overseas distributors for the international market. So most of our agents or distributors already worked with us for more than 10 years. For example, our agent in Indonesia is PT Tunas. We are already working together for more than 13 years. Here are some factory images of our factory. This is our office reception. Sorry? It's not working. Okay. Okay, sorry, let's move on. Here are some images of our production line. Here are the certification of ISO certification about our factory management. Here are the certification of our products. We have IECEX and ITEX. So most of our products, the certification from TUV in Germany. Here are the lighting calculation and the lighting simulation we do for our customers. Yeah, the first one is the first one is the drilling site, warehouse, gas station, oil storage, also refinery tower. So for different application area, we can do the lighting simulation for our customers. Here are some process for the lighting simulation. Okay, if the lighting project is a replacement project, we can also do the ROI for our customers. ROI means the return of investment. We can do the calculation and to check how many months and how many years the customer will get the initial investment back if they change the conventional lamps to LED lights. Here is about the map about our international market. So up to till now, our products already supplied to North America, South America, European countries, Middle East, also Africa countries, and Southeast Asia countries. So all around the world. Here are some of our major customers. So you can see most of them are very famous and big oil and gas company. For example, Basco, Aramco in Saudi, and also Eni from Italy, the national oil company, and also Saibon, ExxonMobil, Shell, ConocoPhillips, also Petronas, and Potamino. All are oil and gas companies. Okay, this part we will introduce about the approved vendor certification from different end users. The first one from PDO. PDO is Oman Petroleum Company. We are approved in their vendor system. Next is Gasco. This from KNPC. Who is the National Petroleum Company? This from KOC. Who is oil company? This from IRPC. IRPC is in Thailand. This is a refinery and a petrochemical company. Here is the vendor certification from Potamina. So you can see from here, we started to supply the explosion-proof products since 2014 to Potamina. This is from Petrofec. Petrofec is an international EPC company. This from Qatar Energy. Next is from ADNOC. ADNOC is Abu Dhabi national oil company. Okay, here we will share some testimony from our customers. The first one is from Singapore Refining Company. So for more than 10 years ago, SRC, they mostly prefer to use the products from European countries or from America. But after they tried some of our products, so they found the performance, the brightness, also the installation are very satisfied to them. So they offer this testimony to show Chinese products also can be high quality. The next one is from Petronas. Petronas is a Malaysia national oil company. This also from Petronas. So for Petronas, they started to use our product since 2013. So they are very satisfied with the performance of also the quality of our product. This one from Potash in Jordan. So you can see this lighting fixture fully covered with the dust, but the lighting is still working. So the quality is very reliable, also durable in this harsh environment. Okay, this part we will share some strong points and advantages of our product. Firstly, we use luminous LED. Luminous is under-fixed. So the lamp efficacy is 150 lumen per watt. So that means more energy saving with long lifespan 50,000 hours. So that means if you use the lighting fixture every day 12 hours, that means you can use more than 10 years for the LED lighting fixtures. And for our products, we can offer 5 years performance warranty for the fixed lighting. If the lighting products come with the battery backup, or for the portable light, we offer 3 years warranty. And our products have a low THD, about 8%. The IEC standard is 50%, so we are doing much better than the IEC standard. And for some of our products, we use the EX certified Wago terminal block. So it's more reliable and more stable for the wiring. And here, this is the tempered glass. The thickness of the tempered glass about 10 mm. Yeah. So can endure 7 joule direct impact. The IEC standard is 4 joule is enough, but we can do much better, 7 joule. If the lighting fixture fixed with the metal guide can endure 20 joule direct impact. Also for our lighting product, we have separated the terminal compartment and the LED source compartment. So in this way, the heat dissipation of the lighting fixture also will be much better. Also can extend the lifespan of the whole lighting fixture. And from this, you can also see we have multiple cable entries. So if customer want to loop in and loop out, so no need additional junction box. So in this way, also will be more cost effective, and also will save time to do the installation of the junction box. Not working. Sorry. Maybe no power. Maybe you. 但是你来帮我按这个吧，你拿个凳子坐在这里，你拿个凳子吧。Okay, next we will talking about our products. The first one for the junction box. We have different type of junction box. We have stainless steel, aluminum, and also GRP material. And we also have many size, different size for different application area. Also, we can do customize according to customers' technical requirements. Here, the control station box. This about the control panel, also socket and the plug. We also have a cable gland. We have armored cable gland and non-armored cable gland. Also have many size for options. Here about the lighting, explosion-proof lighting. The first one is the high bay with the power range from 30 to 300 watts. And this one, EX Tech series, the maximum power we can do 480 watts. And this one is the medium light. This one designed to replace the conventional fluorescent tubes. The length, we also have 2 feet and 4 feet. So similar length to the fluorescent tube fixtures. This one is the explosion-proof exit light. This exit light we can also customize in different size. Also can make in Bahasa language. Okay, here about the other explosion-proof lights with a small power 30 to 60 watts. This also 30-60 watts. Those 2 lights we have ATAX IECEX, also have UL certificate. Here comes to the portable light. Those lights are rechargeable. Later we will show you our samples. We have the explosion-proof lighting, and we also have non-explosion-proof lighting for the safe area. For example, for the warehouse or for some workshop, also for the street light. The maximum power for the industrial light, we can do 720 watts, and this is the street light. Okay, here we will share some testing device in our factory. The first one is IP test. So for most of our products are IP66. So for every production batch, we will put some 2 or 3 samples on this device and use the water gun to do water injection to the lighting fixture to check the IP66. This is about the high and the low temperature test. This is about the pressure test to check the intensity and the strength of the enclosure. This especially for the flame-proof enclosure, EXT flame-proof enclosure. Okay, this is the aging testing room. For this aging testing room, the main purpose is to monitor the lumen depreciation. And we will make the records every month. And we will check after 1 year or after 2 years what the lumen depreciation to those lighting fixture, and also what will happen to those products. So we can make improvements or make some adjustment to our lighting fixtures, to our products. This aging test room with high humidity about 90% and high temperature 50 degrees. Okay, here this for the solid spray test to check the corrosion of the surface of the lighting fixture. Okay, this part we will share some project reference in our international market. The first one from Malaysia, Petronas Refinery. This in Pertamina Cilacap Refinery. They use our control panel to control the aviation obstruction lamp. Those project reference is about the stainless steel junction box in Petronas. Those junction box are used for the instrumentation, so they use the stainless steel junction box. We do the whole design, do the customized design for Petronas. Okay, this project reference is about in the ship, for ship project. This for also for ships. Project reference for the petrochemical plant in Jordan. You can see this lighting fixture are fully covered with dust, but the lighting is still working. This also from Jordan Refinery. This from Mexico, a mining plant. This from Poland. Poland is a oil refinery company. This also for refinery. Bosch from Poland. This for painting room in Germany. This from UK for the fuel truck maintenance depot. This for offshore from UK. This for whiskey factory. They are producing whiskey alcohol in UK. This from Israel, also petrochemical plant. This from Netherlands for the oil tank project. This project from Shell Argentina Refinery. This also for ship project. This project, they use our lighting fixture 720 watts to bright up the far ocean area. The long distance about 100 meters. This also from is one project in Israel, petrochemical plant. This for paint. This from Singapore refining company. This from pipeline project in Thailand. This from Petronas chemical plant. Also from Petronas. Petronas. So we have a lot of reference, project reference. This in Pertamina EP. This also in Pertamina. This in Big Houses in Brunei. This in Hong Kong. This also from Thailand. This van truck is also a refinery. This for the oil tanks in USA. This also from Pertamina. offshore platform. This for Shell jetty port in Philippines. This for ExxonMobil warehouse in Malaysia. This also Petronas. This for the drilling rigs in China. This one use our lighting fixture with the CCTV camera. Okay, thank you. Thanks for your attention. Terima kasih. Okay, I will show some of our sample to you one by one. Okay. Yeah. Okay. This is the port for light. You see, we can turn on. This will be work up with the rechargeable battery inside. Battery, yeah, rechargeable battery inside. Battery backup. And now the power is 10 watts. For 10 watts, the battery backup time about 10 hours. 10 hours, yeah. And also, if the power to be 15 watts, the battery backup time will be 6 hours. And also, we can, now turn on, right? We can also check the battery capacity. Press here, press this push button about 3 to 5 seconds. They will blink 2, 3, 4. 4 means 80%, and 1 time is 20%. If only blink 1 time, and then you will know you have to charge it before you use it. And if 5 times means fully charged. Yeah. And charging 3 hours. 3 hours, yeah. Yeah, because we use the lithium battery. Lithium battery, the charging time is short. Yeah. And also, we have the camera. Camera can make a video. Yeah, this camera inside can make a video. And we have for the memory card inside. Yes. After you make the video, and then you take it to the office and use the Type-C plug to connect it to the laptop, so you can see the record. No. You have to use to connect it in the safe area. Yeah. Yeah, fixed inside. So you have to use the Type-C plug to connect into your laptop. aluminum, no problem. But for the plastic material, we have to check the fireproof levels. Yes. But this all rubber, cynical rubber, so can stand the very high temperature, more than 150 degrees. Yeah. Okay, also here our junction box. This is the GRP material, reinforced fiberglass. The thickness of our GRP junction box about 6 mm. Even some European brand, the thickness only 3 mm. So our quality is more durable. Yes, very strong. Huh? Yes, very good material. You see the surface are very shiny. This also anti-proof. So the nut, the balls will not lost. Yes, yeah, capture. Yeah, yes. I think better we introduce it in the front. Here will take a long time, right? Yeah. Then what to do? I have no idea. This is my first time. That one I think is for the fixed one, but this is the portable one. Yeah, this is for portable. So if you take this one to the side, you do some inspection or checking, and then you can make records. And then that is the CCTV camera. That is the CCTV camera. Yeah, this is different. This is only for recording. This one about 5.5 kilogram. Yeah. If you change to the magnet bracket, will be about 7 kilogram. Yeah, 7 kilogram. Magnet inside, yeah. Built inside. Magnet inside.
This side.
Yeah. We just change this bracket.
Different bracket.
Jadi ini ada ya. Jadi ada yang
Berarti yang pakai magnet itu bracket bukan tambahan.
ya nanti jadi
Bracket yang ada magnet.
ya nanti kalau misalnya ketemu industri atau besi itu bisa ditaruh sekali. Karena kalau di Pertamina
Saya tekapnya itu sendiri.
saya Pak. Ya, dia spesial magnet jadi kuat Pak.
Jadi buat lepas apapun yang bisa.
junction box, the control panel, control station box, also the control panel and the socket and plug. So all the electrical equipment, yeah, we have the full range. This also explosion proof. Yes, yes. And the terminal block Phoenix. June 1, right? June 1, June 1, June 2, or June 21, 22, all can use this one. Yeah. So for the junction box, we have different types. This GRT, we also have stainless steel and also have aluminum. Yeah, aluminum material junction box. Yeah. You can see. Yeah, cable glass. Yeah, also. This is the brass, the nickel plated brass. Nickel plated. This brass. Yeah, brass. 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 This material brass. Yeah. Copper. Yeah, copper. Yeah. Yeah, copper. Yeah, copper. Yeah. Also, we have different size and customized.很烫，我们做了那个长期的老化测试的呀，可以呀，没有问题。test 对呀，也就是跟的一个散热是没有问题的。它到达一定的时候，它会起到一个平衡，它就不会再升了。So you mean the heat dissipation? Okay. Okay. 他是说怎么降温嘛？对。Okay, for this, you see, for this lighting fixture, we have the teapot, right? So if the teapot means the maximum surface temperature, so even it's high temperature, but still under the teapot, also no problem. You see? And also, if for the lighting fixture, after burning maybe 2 hours or 3 hours, you will feel very hot, right? But after these 2 or 3 hours, the hot will keep balance, will not increase more. Yeah, yes. So this is also under the certification, so we'll have no issue about to use it on site. Up to your requirement. If on the site you need to turn on 12 hours per day or 24 hours per day, it's also up to you. Because all those factors we already considered for the certification and also for the product design. Yeah. Even you use every day 24 hours, and then it's also okay. Yeah. Yeah. Huh? Emergency, right? Emergency we also have. Yeah. With the 3 hours battery backup. Yeah. Yeah. The price needed to check with the boss. I'm the employee. Yeah, I want to check the price. I say, you are the boss. I'm the employee. I'm the staff. This is the touch light, also explosion proof. Yes. 2009. 2009, yeah. In China, yeah. We started from the LED. Many lighting more than 20 years ago or 15 years ago, they used the high pressure sodium or hydromelate, also the fluorescent tube fixture. But those conventional lamps, not environment friendly, also with the short lifespan. So we started from the LED, not from the conventional one. So we have more knowledge and more experience about the LED lighting products. Yes.
But not only lighting, you are many.
Yeah, we also, because the company will develop, right? After development, we expand our products range from the lighting to cover all the electrical equipment. Yeah. Because for the oil and gas industries, not only lighting, they only need the full package. So we can offer the whole package solution for the customers. So the customer no need to buy from A supplier or supplier B or supplier C. Yeah. So they can all buy from us. Here. Sama-sama. 一点点 we also 一点点 You want to check the sample? This is our junction box.
In China, this product already famous. I mean, already many companies use this product in China.
You mean our product? Actually, our main market for international market.
Oh, not in China.
No, in China less. Yeah. Yeah, because also many. Yeah, many.
I didn't see in your slide the Middle East or the Europe company use this product.
Or not. We are approved in Aramco, Qatar Energy, ADNOC, Abu Dhabi National Oil, also in Oman, PDO, also KOC, Kuwait, KOC, KMTC, Kuwait Oil Company.
In Middle East?
Yes. We are approved. Europe also, UK, just now we share the project reference in UK, Germany, Holland, also Italy, many countries, many, yeah. Because our quality is very reliable and durable, so the European countries, they also like a high quality product. So you are from which?
This is the first time I heard this KHJ product.
Yeah. Actually, this is also my first time to Batam. Previously, I went to Jakarta, Palembang, Surabaya, Raju, Cilacap, also Balonga, and Cirebon, also Bali. Many cities, but this is the first time. Yeah, more like China. Lot of Chinese characters.
I believe China product can be
Now we are getting more and more competitive. You're from which country? Also, so nice to meet all of you. You mean our company? Okay, later I will show you my business card. Yeah, later I will show you. Yeah, better directly to PT Tuna. Yeah, because Indonesia you are speaking Bahasa, and maybe will be more easy for you to contact them in Bahasa, and also if they are in Indonesia, they can offer Also, also tuna. Oh yeah. All like tuna. So they are the agent, our agent in Indonesia. Padang also. Also. Yeah. Yes. So you can, but for technical questions, you can ask us, ask the KHJ. But for commercial or for on-site support, yeah, tuna.
You plan to make the factory in Indonesia?
Not yet. Yeah. Because for the explosion-proof product, it's not easy to make a factory because your factory also should be certified. So that means you should have the qualification to do the production of the explosion-proof product, not like the other normal product. Yeah. So also very strict, and every year they will do the factory audit. Yeah. So not easy. In Shenzhen. Yeah, Shenzhen. Factory in Shenzhen, yes. Also, welcome to China, to Shenzhen. Yeah.
Shenzhen is where?
South, yeah. Shenzhen, south of China, near to Hong Kong. Yeah, 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour. Yeah. Okay. Okay.